Ever tried to get a quick answer from your bank? You know, something simple like "Where's my deposit?" or "Why is my card declined?" You call, get stuck on hold forever, and then finally, a robot answers with a frustratingly limited menu. Sound familiar? Well, if you're an Ally Bank customer or thinking about becoming one, you're probably wondering, can I actually chat with a real person at Ally Bank? Context. In today's digital age, we expect things to be fast and convenient. Banking should be no exception. We want our questions answered quickly and efficiently without the hassle of endless phone calls. So, can you actually have a real conversation with someone at Ally Bank? Let's find out. Exploring Ally Bank's communication channels. First things first, Ally Bank is known for its focus on digital banking. This means they heavily rely on online and mobile channels for customer interaction. So, let's break down your options. Ally Bank's website. The Ally Bank website is your one-stop shop for most of your banking needs. You can easily check your account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even apply for loans all within a few clicks. But what about chatting with someone? Well, the website does offer a robust help and support section. You can find answers to frequently asked questions, FAQs, search for articles, and even access a comprehensive knowledge base. Crucially, the Ally Bank website also features a live chat option. This is a fantastic way to connect with a customer service representative in real time. Simply click the chat button, usually located in the bottom right corner, and you'll be connected to an available agent. Live chat is generally available during standard business hours, and you can expect quick response times. It's a convenient way to get your questions answered without the wait. Ally Bank mobile app. The Ally Bank mobile app is another excellent resource for managing your finances on the go. You can easily view account balances, make transfers, deposit checks, and even track your spending. Similar to the website, the Ally Bank mobile app also offers in-app chat functionality. This allows you to connect with a customer service representative directly within the app. It's incredibly user-friendly and perfect for those who prefer to bank on their phones. The in-app chat feature is typically available during the same hours as the website chat, and you can expect similar response times. Ally Bank phone support. While Ally Bank encourages digital communication, they do understand that sometimes a phone call is necessary. They offer a dedicated phone number for customer service. Be prepared for potential hold times, especially during peak hours. However, Ally Bank does provide options for callback requests to avoid lengthy waits on the line. You can also use their automated phone system to access account information and perform basic transactions. Tips for a smooth chat experience. Be prepared. Before initiating a chat, have the necessary information ready, such as your account number, transaction details, or any specific questions you have. This will help the representative assist you more efficiently. Be clear and concise. State your issue or question clearly and concisely to avoid confusion and ensure a quick resolution. Be patient. While Ally Bank strives for quick response times, there may be occasional delays, especially during busy periods. Benefits of chatting with Ally Bank. Convenience. Chatting offers a convenient and flexible way to connect with customer service, allowing you to get help whenever and wherever suits you. Efficiency. You can often get your questions answered more quickly through chat compared to waiting on hold for a phone call. Clear communication. Chat provides a clear record of the conversation, which can be helpful for future reference. Alternatives to live chat. Ally Bank's knowledge base. As mentioned earlier, Ally Bank has an extensive knowledge base that covers a wide range of topics. You can often find answers to your questions quickly and easily by searching their articles. Ally Bank's Community Forum. The Ally Bank Community Forum allows you to connect with other customers and share your experiences. You may also find helpful tips and solutions to common problems. Addressing potential concerns. Security. Ally Bank employs robust security measures to protect customer information during online and mobile interactions. Accessibility. Ally Bank is committed to providing accessible banking services for all customers. They offer various accessibility features on their website and mobile app, including screen reader compatibility. So, can you chat with Ally Bank? Absolutely. Ally Bank offers several convenient ways to connect with customer service, including live chat on their website and mobile app. While phone support is available, utilizing their digital channels often provides a faster and more efficient experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.